Hello guys, how are you today? I am Zubair from Zubitech World, bringing you another very exciting video. Today I have the Galaxy Watch 2019. Well, it's written Samsung Galaxy Watch Active, so this is the second generation of the Active series, guys. So an interesting device. I thought I should share with you my experience of the unboxing and the first impression, and then in my second video we will do a detailed review in which I will be testing this baby out. Well guys, without any further ado, let's go. I have lost my knife. I will use my in the old school mode using my hands. Well guys, from the looks of the Galaxy Watch Active, here you can see looks very interesting. So it's in the silver color, and from the right it says very lightweight. I don't know the weight about this device. What's the weight of the watch? It says advanced auto fitness tracking, that is your heart rate monitor and your GPS. So two interesting applications, and it's IP68 water resistance for about 50 meters. From the right, Samsung Galaxy Watch. Here you can see the seal. It's a brand new. From the bottom it says made in Vietnam by Samsung. Let's just quickly unbox the Samsung Galaxy Watch, and I just can't wait. I can't wait. Let's do something old school that we used to do in our younger days. Okay, coming. Open sesame, khul ja sesame. So it's off. So the seals are off, guys. Now let's just open this baby and see my Galaxy Watch. Wow, wow, wow. Well, it's certainly lightweight, no doubt about it. It's a lightweight device, and the display size is relatively small, 1.1 Super AMOLED display, and you have your two physical keys over here, and the rubber in this it's in silver color, and it's very soft and very good looking. I really like the color. That's why I ordered it. So I really like the color. And this is some extra cases and for my Galaxy Watch, and I think it should be a charger, a nice looking charge box, and a dock that supports USB type A, and it's charging dock for your Samsung Galaxy Watch Active Watch. This is it for the contents of the Galaxy Watch Active. And let's just see how do you turn on this device. Let's see how do you turn on this Galaxy Watch. I don't have any paperwork, so I can see. Yeah, it doesn't have any paperwork. So let's just quickly see. Okay, now the Samsung Galaxy Watch is turned on. Let me just a little bit put it on zoom for you guys, and just put it on zoom and see. Well, it's taking a little bit time. Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. Now that is a nice animation that we see in the cell phones Samsung is putting on into its watches, and Samsung Galaxy Buds are also in the market now. We will do the review as well for that. We will do the review of that as well. And it says let's go, scrolling up, and it opens some terms. We'll get started. Also nice vibration for it. So guys, I will just quickly compatible it with my Samsung smartphone. Stay tuned. Well guys, now this is connected to my smartphone. So basically the two keys, this one is the back key and this one is the home key. The sensor, it clearly indicates that you put it in your wrist and it activates all the sensors. Basically we have calls, we have contacts. I have my contacts, I have this phone, I can send messages in pressing it twice. Okay, putting it on my wrist, that it indicated that I should wear it. Guys, clearly a bunch of applications are there, and most of the applications that we use in our daily lifestyle are present in the smartwatch. Well, let's just the main reason for this smartwatch that is on my wrist is for the Samsung Galaxy Health. Well, I work out daily, so this thing will be quite beneficial for me. And in my review, I will share with you guys the experience of the Samsung watch. Well, talking about the fitness, it shows your workouts. The thing I'm looking for right now is this. It shows you actively continuous heart rate monitoring on the go. So this is a very good option. Depending upon how your workouts are done, it shows you your heart rate. On the other hand, if you swipe it back, it shows, on the other hand, swiping it back shows you clearly a heart shape, which shows calories, minutes and hours you've run. And shortcuts are there as well, many applications. Stress level, wow, let's just quickly try the stress level. How am I stressed or not? Okay, it tells you to breathe. Okay, in exhaling now, so it's a good option. It will take time, I'll do that later. Well, there are a bunch of applications, guys. So in my point of view, there are a bunch of applications. Some applications that you use in your daily lifestyle, your sleep, your exercise, your heart rate monitor, your stress level. There are a bunch of applications that I will share with you in my next video. So guys, stay tuned to watch all my videos. I will be detailing about this device for Samsung Galaxy Active. Well, a nice looking device, a smart looking device. I will play with it for a few days and come back for you guys. So till now, Zubair Ahmed signing off. Do like my video, guys, subscribe to my channel and touch the bell icon. So long.